Redbubble and Society6 are print-on-demand platforms that allow artists and designers to upload their artwork and have it printed on various products for sale. Here's how you can make money on Redbubble and Society6. Upload artwork, create original artwork, designs, illustrations, or photographs. On Redbubble and Society6, you can upload your designs onto various products, such as t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, stickers, wall art, home decor, and more. Choose products. Select the products you want your designs to be printed on. Both platforms offer a range of items, allowing artists to offer their designs on multiple products to cater to different preferences. Set prices. Set your profit margin by determining how much you want to earn from each sale. The base price of the product, printing cost, platform commission, etc., is covered, and the rest is your profit. Promote your store. Market your store and designs to increase visibility and sales. Use social media, blogs, email marketing, and other promotional channels to showcase your designs and attract potential buyers. Earn royalties. When customers purchase products featuring your designs, you earn a commission or royalty on each sale. The platforms handle the printing, shipping, and customer service. Engage with the community. Participate in the community by interacting with other artists, joining forums, and getting involved in challenges or promotions offered by the platforms to increase exposure. Both Redbubble and Society6 operate on a similar model, allowing artists to monetize their artwork by leveraging the platform's printing and fulfillment services. Success on these platforms often involves creating unique and appealing designs, understanding the target audience, and effectively marketing your store to increase sales and royalties.